We will base our scenario on an auditing and insurance company called Moon Group. Hi, my name is Jennifer Turner and I'm going to be your auditor today. I will help you investigate and evaluate your financial records, and I'll express an opinion about whether your reports are prepared in material respects in accordance with the financial reporting framework. I will ensure that you get the best results by bringing an industry expert.
Hello, I'm the industry specialist audit and my name is Kathy Berry. I have extensive knowledge of auditing insurance company, and I will help Jennifer give insight to what you want us to achieve today.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Sally and glad you have come here to help me. I have been having trouble and really appreciate that you have come out to my workplace to help ensure my financial records are correct.
So what would you like us to help you with?
I seek help to evaluate my business performance and testing transactions and account balances.
We will probably use substantiate procedures because these are the audit procedures that are aimed to identify material misstatements at assertion level.
Oh really? Which one do you think then would best suit my business and the fact that I need you to help me evaluate business performance and testing transactions and account balances?
Well, there are three methods of substantiated procedures. However, from what you've told us, I best advise the analytical procedures.
Yeah, we have decided that this will be the best method because you want us to assess the risk phase, and the analytical procedures can be conducted at the risk assessment phase of the audit.
This procedure best highlights unusual fluctuations in accounts. It aids in the risk of identification, enhances the understanding of a client, identifies the account at risk of material misstatements, and minimises the audit risk by concentrating audit effort where the risk of material misstatements are greatest.
Oh, this sounds very informative and very productive. What's happened next now that you have decided to take the analytical procedures approach?
Next step, we'll investigate and evaluate the performance of Moon Group.
Yes, this is where my opinion and knowledge will become very valuable. We will use trend analysis, common sense analysis, and ratio analysis.
Can you please explain more to me what each analysis is?
That's fine. The first one will be trend analysis. This compares account balances over time, and we'll perform this by undertaking a selection of the base year and then restating all accounts in subsequent years as a percentage of the base. And we'll consider economic issues like recession.
Okay, what will come next?
Next will be common size analysis. And this is the comparison of account bases to single line items of the balance sheet and income statements. For the balance sheet, we'll have percentage of the total assets, and income statement will be percentage of total sales. And we'll analyse it over several years.
What will be the last ratio analysis?
This will be ratio analysis, and this measures the relationship between various financial report balances and between them and non-financial items. It looks into profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, and solvency ratios.
Yeah. In detail, I suggest you can compare the wage expense and the rental expense month by month for this year and last year by using trend analysis. We can also compare accounts payable balances in your situation, the amount of money you pay to beneficiary month by month for this year and last year, to see whether there is any unusual fluctuations with client personnel. We can also use common size analysis to see whether accounts payable balances occupy a large proportion of sales and which kind of insurance we pay most. And finally, we can estimate sales revenue for your company, for example, by multiplying the price of each type of insurance by the number of insurance we sold every month and by the number of months per year, and we can analyze it by using profit margin, which shows us the profitability.
Sounds good. What will be the final step on this audit?
The final step will be to test assertions of transactions and account balances. We will test assertion relating to wage expenses, rent expenses, and sales. We'll use occurrence and a completeness assertion audit to evaluate wages and rent expense, and we will use occurrence and accuracy assertion to evaluate sales revenue. For accounts payable, we'll use completeness, existence, and evaluation and allocation, and we'll be able to help you with your audit.
Oh, thank you.